Hello guys, today I am going to discuss regarding the AIMS Raipur Nursing Tutor 2017 question. As we all know, question practice is very must for achieving our dream. And this is our first question. Which among the following enable another nurse to read the chart of concerned patient? First one is establish relationship with patient. B. License a nurse. Obtain verbal permission from a patient. And B. Assigned to the patient care, and the answer is B, assigned to the patient care. Next question, which among the following statements is true regarding administering nutritional support to the cancer patient? First, pre-operative nutritional support should be provided to all patients with the cancer. Pre-operative nutrition must be provided for the 2 weeks. Parenteral nutrition is preferred route of feeding for all cancer patients, and the answer is none of the above. Third question, which among the following holds true for depersonalization syndrome? First one is precede the onset of schizophrenia, feel that other person has changed, associated with depression, and last one is indication of ECT, and the answer is associated with depression. Next question, who among the following is specialized in the treating injury caused by the athletic activities? First option, emergency medicine specialist, preventive medicine specialist, sports medicine specialist, and nuclear medicine specialist. Answer is sports medicine specialist. Fifth question, which among the following refer to the art and science of computer networks? And networks, topolog and server, and the answer is networking. Sixth question, which among the following enzyme is activated during the diarrhea associated with cholera toxin? Option A, adenolite cyclase, B, ATP guanylate cyclase, and sodium glucose cotransporter, and the answer is adenolite cyclase. Next question, which among the following is safe range of noise level for the patient? 85 decibel, 95 decibel, 110 decibel, and 120 decibel. Answer is 85 decibel. Question number 8. The percentage of human blood is made up of fluid plasma. Option A, 25%, 35%, 55%, and 77%. And the answer is 55%. Next question, which among the following is not an application of health informatics? Option A, dentistry, pharmacy, spreading literacy, occupational therapy, and the answer is spreading literacy. And the question number 10. Question number 10, which among the following words represent the basic unit of life that is capable of organization, metabolism, hemostasis, responsiveness, growth, and reproduction? Option A, cell, B, tissue, organelle, and chromosome, and the answer is cell. Question number 11, which among the following data representation is used to translate across all language? Binary, hexadecimal, Unicode, hexadecimal, and D, extended binary coded decimal, and the answer is Unicode hexadecimal. 12th number question, which among the following can be observed in a patient's hair in case of pediculosis capitis? Option A, oval peticle that looks like dandruff on the hair. Option B, crust on the scalp. Option C, brown thread-like, and option D, small insect with the red legs. And the answer is oval particle that looks like dandruff on the hair. And question number 3rd, after how much duration post drinking or smoking is the oral temperature to be measured? Option A, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and answer is 20 minutes. 14 number question, which of these word is same when read backwards? Paper, apple, Malayalam, and tanning, and answer is Malayalam. Malayalam is the answer that is same when read backwards. Question number 15, what possible side effect must be advised to the patient who is receiving iron therapy? Option A, dizziness, ringing in the ear, danger of sunlight, and blackening of stool, and answer is Question number 16. In case of electrical fire in MRI machine, which category of fire extinguisher must be used? Class A, Class B, Class C, Class E. And answer is Class C. Next question. Which among the following tissue is found in the vocal cord of the human? Liquid connective tissues, hard connective tissues, fibrous connective tissues, and soft connective tissues. And the answer is fibrous connective tissues. Next question. Which among the following hormone is or are not secreted by the body as a response to stress? And option is antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, aldosterone, insulin, epinephrine. And the answer is insulin. Question number 19. Dash is the name used to refer to the computer that can access shared information across a network. Option A, peer, nodes, client, and server. And answer is nodes.